Hi everybody.
Hi.
Hi Prita and Raghav. This is a great moment in your life, and we are very happy that both of you are getting married. And we are very happy to welcome Raghav as a new family member, and Prita also you are joining the Sethi family, who are wonderful people. First time I met Raghav was in 2015 at 2 o'clock at night. That was in the AIMS emergency ward, where we had taken Prita for appendicitis pain, and I found a boy 2 o'clock at night standing outside. So I was wondering what this boy is doing. I didn't know that they knew each other, and in fact I came to know quite late, and I was wondering that night that why he is here. And in fact that shows his concern, love and affection for Prita. It's a great day for both of you, and Prita, you are our darling little girl, so you will always be our darling little girl. And I just want to tell Raghav that Prita is very sensitive and
Very delicate.
and probably you know by now, so you have to take care of her, and both of you should understand and respect each other, respect each other's views, and you have to give space to each other. So marriage is two people coming together for the rest of their life. It is not easy, so adjustment is a must. You have to adjust, and I'm sure both of you will be doing it in a great way, and our best wishes to both of you, and we hope our love and blessings to both of you, and we wish you all the best.
All the cousins.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. All the best, Prita and Raghav.
Hey Preeta, hi Raghav. Here's wishing you both a wonderful married life. We're so excited that you guys are getting married and you guys make the perfect team. So here's wishing you all the best. We love you and we can't wait to celebrate with you on your special day. Lots and lots of love from the two of us.
Congratulations, guys.
Hey, hi, Prita and Raghav. Congratulations for your big day. Pritaৰ বিয়া সঁচাই বহুত ভাল লাগি আছে, বাট বেয়াও লাগিছে, আমি যাব নোৱাৰিম, এটেণ্ড কৰিব নোৱাৰিম, যাব পৰা হয় চবৰ লগত মিলি ফূৰ্তি কৰিব পৰা হয় আৰু বেছি ভাল লাগিলেহেঁতেন, বাট ষ্টিল উইচ ইউ লাক both of you, stay happy, stay together always, God bless you both, and we are eagerly waiting to see you as a beautiful bride. ৰৈ আছোঁ এতিয়া বিয়া হোৱাৰ পিছৰ ফটোজবোৰ পাবলৈ, and congratulations once again, stay happy.
Hello Prita ba, hi Raghav da, wish you a very happy married life. Aita aru ঘৰৰ সকলোৰে ফালৰ পৰা তোমালোকলৈ মৰম আৰু শুভেচ্ছা থাকিল, তোমালোক যাতে সদায় সুখত থাকা.
Hi Prita, hi Raghav.
Congratulations and wish you a very happy married life.
Prita, Raghav, many happy returns of your special day. We'll really miss it a lot, especially the Bharat coming, right? I enjoyed that the most. So Raghav, you are safe this time. I'll make it up sometime or the other. I hope you become a real good Assamese Dora. Oh my God, I'll miss it so much. But I hope Gopa and her family will be able to represent all of us. Wish you all the happiness in this world. Hope to meet you soon. All the best. Rock it, and I can't wait for the photos and videos. The more I see them, the more I'll miss it, but still I'll want them more and more. Bye bye. Love you.
Ready ne biyar karone? Really excited to see you soon together, guys, and you two make such a cute couple. I wish I could be there with my beautiful sister as she marries the love of her life. But anyway, our well wishes are always with you, and may all your wishes come true, and may you cherish each other forever. Can't wait to see all the pictures, wedding pictures of yours in your beautiful dress and all. Love you guys and see you soon. Bye bye.
Hello, Preeta and Raghav.
Many congratulations.
And sorry that we couldn't be there in person, but we wish you a very happy married life in advance.
We hope we can meet you guys here soon. We are very happy for the both of you.
Ahi jaba party korim ekeloge.
Yay!
And lots of love once again, and best wishes, and hope to see you real soon. Bye.
Bye!
Hi, Preeta and Raghav. As you move on into a new phase in your life and tie the knot, we wish you a very happy, blissful, and joyous married life. Stay blessed and wish you a very long togetherness and life filled with bliss and happiness. Have a great life ahead.
পিতা মোৰ মৰম আৰু আশীৰ্বাদ আৰু বেষ্ট উইচেছ ৰাঘৱ আৰু তোমালৈ থাকিলে, তোমালোকৰ বিয়াৰ বাবে শুভেচ্ছা থাকিলে আৰু বহুত মৰম, আৰু তাৰ লগতে তোমালোকে সদায় যাতে সুন্দৰভাৱে চলিব পাৰা তাৰ বাবে প্ৰাৰ্থনা জনাইছোঁ। আৰু ৰাঘৱলৈ বহুত ৱেল উইচেছ থাকিল। বিয়াখন মিছ কৰি আমাৰ বেয়া লাগিছে, কিন্তু সময়ৰ অসুবিধাৰ কাৰণে ভালকৈ বিয়াখন হৈ যাবলৈ প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰিছোঁ। ইয়াৰ পৰাই আশীৰ্বাদ কৰিছোঁ, আৰু এই বেয়া সময়বিলাক যাতে সোনকালে শেষ হয় সেইটো কাৰণে প্ৰাৰ্থনা জনাইছোঁ। ইনু, টুটুমন, তুষা সকলোলৈকে মৰম থাকিলে আৰু ভালকৈ বিয়াখন পাৰ কৰক, এই আমাৰ আশীৰ্বাদ আৰু প্ৰাৰ্থনা।
Hi Preeta, here comes the hat-trick ball of the best wishes for your marriage with Raghav. Lead a blissful life, God bless.
Congrats on getting married. Hi Pritava. You're probably one of those few people who know me almost since the day I was born. Meeting you always being reminded of the times of the crazy things I used to do since I was a child. Particularly, my favorite one was when you made me wear a frock, and this guy cried all his heart out.
I think এতিয়া পৰা তোমাক আন্টি বুলি মাতিব লাগিব আৰু I wish আমি সবে একেলগে আশীৰ্বাদ খালি কৰিবৰ কাৰণে obviously we can't. আৰু Miklo wants to dedicate something to you guys. Preeta and Raghav, your love is truly like
Hi Preeta, I really hope you're having a wonderful wedding, and of course we wish we could have been there. Trying really hard not to spill into emotions right now. I mean, man, it's your wedding, and really wish we could be there. And I don't know, we have to catch up soon after your wedding, and it has to be a big deal. Okay, really can't wait to meet you, seriously. Hope you have a wonderful wedding. Hope you and Raghav have a wonderful married life ahead. And that's all. Bye until later.
Your love is an inspiration to all of us, and I'm so glad you guys made it through. I am really glad, and I'm really excited to be a part of it.
Hi Preeta, hey man, congratulations for your wedding, and all the best for the second innings of your life. May God bless you, and you have a wonderful wedding and a wonderful life ahead. Bye bye.
Hey Preeta,
I'm super happy to hear about your big day and wish you all the best and good luck for your new future and new life ahead. I still remember how I used to go to your place to play with your Barbie dolls and dress them up, and the good times and the great times we had at Numaligarh, all of us. And I really, miss them sometimes and think about them. And I hope to catch up really soon with all of you. And I think you're going to be the prettiest bride ever. And all the best, and keep in touch. And I hope auntie, uncle, everybody's fine, and Tushaba is fine. So cheers and good luck.
Congratulations, Pritiza and Raghav. It's finally happening. I'm so happy for you guys. I'm so excited for you guys. It's a big day. It's a big event. I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy, have the best times of your lives. Meanwhile, I'm sending you loves, hugs, and kisses, all virtually because I can't be there. But when I do come back, we're going to have fun, just like the old days. I miss you, Prita. I wish we could be there, yeah. Just like the old times. But I'm going to see you guys very soon. But up until then, have fun, enjoy. Love you guys.
Hi, Pritiza. Hope you're doing good and all geared up. We are all looking forward and really excited to see you on your big day. So big congratulations to you and Raghav, and wish you both a very happy, healthy married life.
Hey Prita, I'm so glad to hear that you're getting married. So lots of regards from Zurich in Switzerland. And I'm so happy that you have found the person who is the one that you want to spend your life with. So regards to Raghav, and welcome here for honeymoon.
Hey Prita, as I congratulate you and Raghav for the most special day of your lives, I want to thank you for being an amazing friend to me through all thick and thins. And we've literally grown together, and it fills my heart with so much happiness because you're about to begin the best journey henceforth with the love of your life. And once again, congratulations to you and Raghav, and wish you all the very best and good luck for the journey that lies ahead.
Hey Prita, first of all I'd like to say that it breaks my heart for not being there on your special day. However, here I am sending you warm and heartfelt wishes. Congratulations to you and Raghav. We have grown up together and you've always been an amazing friend to me. It makes me really proud and happy to see you start this amazing journey of your life. I'm sure Ma and Data are showering their love and blessings on you too. Wishing you all the success, good health and happiness from me, Mitava and Poriba.
Hey Prita, well, making this video is a very emotional thing because not only are you like my first friend ever, but then also my first friend to get married. Well, lots of love to you and Raghav for this great journey ahead. All the best. You're going to have a beautiful wedding and you are going to make a beautiful bride. You spread warmth and happiness wherever you go, and I'm sure this next journey is also going to be great. So take care. Love you loads.